Hello and welcome to my channel. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to lube, grease your Hino. This is a 2016 268. If you're not a subscriber, just hit that button, become a subscriber right away. So let's begin. These are the items that you need. You need your grease gun. You can use a manual one, or you can use a air grease gun. That's what I'm going to use in this video, an air grease gun. I would grab a clean shop rag and a tube of grease, and of course some gloves and safety glasses. It doesn't matter if you're starting from the front or the back when you're greasing your vehicle. I'm going to start from the back on this video because I'm going to work my way to the front, and I'm going to lift up the vehicle at the end of the video to actually show you how to grease the kingpins and bushings. We're going to start with our rear U-joint. We'll move to the next one. Then we're going to work our way on up the driveshaft, and we're going to go to the slip joint area. We're going to grease this one right in the center. That's what you want. You know it's definitely grease when you have this. All right, we're going to work our way on up the driveshaft, and we're going to go all the way to the transmission. I want to point out something here. When you get to the transmission, the U-joint at the rear of the transmission, look at this bolt right here. Just make sure that bolt is tightened. And if it's not tightened, I do have a video that will actually help you solve that problem. But just constantly, anytime you grease this U-joint, keep an eye on that bolt and make sure that it did not work itself loose and is not trying to come out. Now we're in the front area, and we made our way to the tie rod. And what you want to do, you just want to put just enough grease in here to fill the boot, but not blow the boot. I just like to go a little easy on the tie rods. Now we're going to grease the drag lane. I'm going to start down here. Chances are the grease fitting is going to be facing the tire. We're going to lift our hood. Then we're going to grease the other end of the drag lane. And we have our grease fitting right here. All right, that's all we need. And just fill the boot. You can see it's full. That's all you need. Next, we're going to grease our gearbox. And you have a grease fitting right here. And you're going to see grease actually come out here. While we're at the gearbox, we're going to go ahead and hit our shaft, our steering shaft. Have a grease fitting right here. Now what we're going to do, we're going to lift the vehicle so we can grease our kingpins and bushings. Now we're going to rest the front end on jack stands because safety is always first. We're going to turn our wheel all the way to the right. And what we're going to do, we're going to grease our front end with the kingpins in the air all the way to the right. And then we're going to turn it all the way to the left, and we're going to grease it again, the top and bottom. And we're going to go and we're going to grease the bottom kingpin first on the left side. And that's what we have. That's what you want. And we're going to go to the right side and do the same. Now we're on the top. I'm going to grease it right here. That's what you want. So we're going to do the same with the wheels turned to the left. And that should finish your process of greasing your kingpins and bushings. Well, that's all you have to do to grease your Hino. I hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to hit the notification bell to let you know when I have a video to come out. Take care, and God bless.